Delhi woke up to heavy rains that triggered waterlogging in several parts of the Delhi NCR region, disrupting traffic. Now, rain lashed several parts of Delhi NCR, including Shastri Bhavan, RK Puram, Moti Bagh, and Kidwai Nagar. The visuals of which, of course, you can see on your screens at the moment. The Indian Meteorological Department, also known as the IMD, has issued a red alert in the city for the day. Of course, Delhi has woken up to rain in different parts. There has been intense rainfall in different parts of the national capital. Red alert has also been issued for Delhi, and there has been waterlogging in several parts. Over 100 flights have also been delayed due to the rain. We have my colleague Shreya Ghosh joining us on the telecast. Shreya, of course, heavy rain has lashed Delhi. We are seeing waterlogging in different parts of the national capital. What is the latest that we are tracking on this story?
Well, the IMD has issued a red alert across Delhi NCR, particularly in Delhi. Since early hours, we have been seeing intense rainfall, and today's Raksha Bandhan. But the monsoon chaos has turned the festival into a test for of patience. And we know that several areas witnessed waterlogging this morning. I'm reporting to you from Noida. Here we do not see much waterlogging, but we can expect severe traffic congestion in the peak office hours in Delhi. Areas like GT Road, the Delhi police has asked commuters to avoid that area, including Jahangirpuri and Adarsh Nagar and GT Road. These areas will see heavy traffic today, considering today's Raksha Bandhan. People will be commuting to and fro their relatives' place, friends' place. So it is advisable for people to enjoy the rains, but to stay indoors, use the metro services in that case. And people who are taking flights, it's advisable for them to check their flight status before leaving home, because there could be potential cancellations and delays, considering that it will continue to rain this heavily for the next 2-3 hours.
Right, absolutely, Shreya. Heavy rains have lashed several parts of the Delhi NCR. Now, tell us a little about, of course, you mentioned today also is Rakhi. This may have even dampened some people's plans. Now, where all are we expecting congestion when it comes to routes of the Delhi NCR region? Well, of course, you can see the visuals on the screen. We're having difficulty connecting with my colleague, but let me just take you through the details we have at the moment. Of course, intense rainfall has lashed various parts of the national capital region. Red alert has been issued for Delhi by the IMD. You can see the visuals there on your screen. Over 100 flights have been delayed, and traffic, of course, is seeing disruption in various parts of the national capital. Of course, today is Raksha Bandhan, so we were expecting a lot of traffic. But given the condition with the rain, it's only time. Of course, only time will tell us how the traffic pans out on the roads. With my colleague Janendra joining us on the telecast. Janendra, of course, I was just talking to Shreya about how rain has lashed various parts of the national capital. Where are you right now, and what are you tracking on this story?
बिल्कुल, देखिए, मैं इस वक्त पूर्वी दिल्ली के इलाके में हूं और सुबह से ही नहीं, देर रात से ही लगातार बारिश हो रही है और इसके कारण जनजीवन पर खासा असर दिख रहा है। हालांकि आज छुट्टी का दिन है, तो सड़कों पर ज्यादा जाम की स्थिति नहीं है, लेकिन कई जगहों पर जल जमाव है। और जाहिर सी बात है कि राखी के त्योहार के मौके पर ये जो बारिश हो रही है, उसके कारण राखी का त्योहार जो है उसका उत्साह तो जरूर कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा उस पर असर हुआ है। और लगातार हो रही बारिश के कारण दिल्ली के कई इलाके जो है वहां पर जल जमाव की समस्या जो है उससे लोगों को दो चार होना पड़ रहा है। और अभी आज पूरे दिन बारिश की संभावना है। ऐसे में जो लोग हैं वो फिलहाल साफ दिख रहा है कि सुबह से हो रही बारिश के कारण घरों से नहीं निकल पाए हैं। जी
जनेंद्र, हमें ये भी बताइए कि किन किन पार्ट्स में वाटर लॉगिंग देखी जा रही है, अगर कोई रूट्स हैं जो हमारे व्यूअर्स को अवॉइड करने चाहिए।
बिल्कुल, देखिए, इसको लेकर के दिल्ली पुलिस जो है वो लगातार सोशल मीडिया पर अपडेट्स कर रही है कि कहां पर ट्रैफिक जो है वो ज्यादा हो गया है, कहां पर जल जमाव की समस्या है। तो इसको लेकर जो दर्शक हैं वो अपडेट रह सकते हैं। फिलहाल जो है कोई खास जगह को लेकर के इस तरीके की कोई बात नहीं कि आपको अवॉइड करना है, लेकिन जाहिर सी बात है जब आप बाहर निकलेंगे बारिश के समय में तो आपको जगह जगह पर जल जमाव और कहीं कहीं हैवी ट्रैफिक का सामना जो है वो जरूर करना पड़ सकता है। जी।